All right, welcome everyone to another episode of the Daily High. I will be your only host, Tone Vase. I was super busy this morning. I woke up a little late. I did a 2 hour stream on my personal channel. Then I forgot I had a Zoom meeting, and all of this. I am on my fifth day of the 7 day dry fast, which means no food, no water. You can see my beautiful location. Let me zoom in on my background for you real quick. And then we are going to talk about the charts. Look at that. I am in Las Verandas Resort in Roatan, Honduras. Let me back out the camera a bit. Absolutely gorgeous. Unfortunately, I cannot go in the water because I am doing a hard dry fast. That means no showers, no baths, no ocean, and no brushing your teeth. So I am staying away from other human beings at the moment. Let's go to the charts. For more on dry fasting and my health routine, please follow me on my personal YouTube channel. It was also streamed to Twitter, just like this is being streamed to Twitter. Okay, I have not looked at the price of Bitcoin this entire weekend, so I am about to be as surprised as you guys are about what is going on with the price action. Monthly chart, nothing to say, completely uneventful. Weekly chart, also uneventful. We are sitting here in the middle of the range. We are on a bullish MRI count. It's not going to be easy getting a green star candle. We got to break last week's highs. So maybe next week we will be able to break and to a green star candle. Nothing interesting on the weekly. Or about the daily. The daily, I really like the daily. Yes, we have a bit of a red star candle, which I'm not actually sure why. Uh, it shouldn't be a red star candle. We closed pretty bullish. It's a little weird to me that we have a red star candle here, but we have a green one. And if we get a green star candle tomorrow, which means we have to be above today's high, that would be great. You can see my arrows. We have a green, we pulled back to this blue support line, which I can now delete. Look at this moving average crossover and look at the pullback into the moving average crossover. This is absolutely textbook. I would have liked to see us hit the MRI top on the daily and then pull back, but we ended up pulling back, and now we can probably get to an MRI buy. I am bullish here on the price of Bitcoin. Looks like a very, very good hour, and a very good hour. I can delete this blue line as well, but look how perfectly it is supporting the price of Bitcoin. Uh, our MRI resistance line stopped because we made a new hourly MRI buy, and we created a new resistance line, and that resistance line got immediately broken because it was very, very shallow. It would be nice to still break this MRI resistance line. I really like this MRI resistance line, and I am personally going to extend it. And if we can break it, we will probably be off towards new all-time highs. That's how bullish I will be once we break that area. Very, very good. I can delete this, and I can leave those. 100K will still be resistance. Let's go look at the 4-hour chart. Same thing, same lines. Nothing changes. I can delete these though. They're not doing anything for me. Oh, March 18th is going to be here before we know it. I think all kinds of shit is going to break loose on March 18th. Probably has to do with Knots versus Core. We got to get back to the Knots versus Core series, but at the moment, I'm too busy focusing on my health. But Jimmy Song and I will get back to covering Knots versus Core. Nothing to say, nothing to say. Oh, something to say. Look at the gold futures. Gold is at new all-time highs. I still think gold is going to top this month. I am not in any short plays. I'm trying to time my short trade absolutely perfectly. So I am more than happy to wait for the prices to go higher. I still have a bunch of gold coins. I still have a bunch of silver coins. So this is making me kind of happy. Silver. Silver is also on new highs. As you guys know, I want to short silver in the 90s. So if we get to silver in the 90s, that would be awesome. Oh, look at this. This is the weekly top in silver. Hopefully, we hit 93 to 95 this week, and I'll be able to short it then. I'm not chasing the up trades. I, I, I have gold and silver, so I'm profiting from holding gold and silver. Sailor buys another 1.3 billion and price doesn't move. That is interesting. We'll see. Sand Snake, are you really going to be in Roatan next month? I'm probably not going to be in Roatan next month. I'm leaving on the 29th to go to El Salvador. Yo, Sand Snake, can you DM me on like Telegram or something? Fed indictments by the DOJ. I have no idea what that is. I have not paid attention. I want this ratio to be as low as possible because I want to play the spread. I want to short silver and buy gold. I want to play the spread trade. S&P 500 new all-time highs, and therefore I am bullish. There's some kind of arrow here. I'm going to delete that. I'm bullish on the S&P, and therefore I'm bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not really moving much. Look, eventually there's not going to be enough Bitcoin to purchase. The Bitcoin ETFs are finally buying Bitcoin again, I think. Let me see how this month is going. Oh, it's going green, so that's good. Should be green. Oops. Yeah, let me just update a few of these. Oh, wow. Maybe it's not going to be green. Maybe it is going to be red. Well, it's red so far. I think we'll finish the month green. Oh, my battery just gave me a warning. I've been streaming all day. Yeah, the rest are not that relevant. Maybe Bitwise. Bitwise. ARC. And the rest are irrelevant. Yeah, we're in red. So far, we're in red. All right, I got nothing more to say. This is one of those stocks where I said, hey, do you got a bullish trade here? What were the other stocks that I said there was a bullish trade? Apple. Apple Daily MRI is coming up. Yeah, looks good. Weekly doesn't look as good, but look at that beautiful MRI top on Apple on the weekly. Oh, Tesla. Let's see. Oh, look at the Tesla trade. Look at that. Look at that. Great trade. Great trade. All right, guys. I'm a little tired. I've been on streams. I've been yapping on my 5th day of a dry fast for the last like 4 hours. So it's time for me to take a break. I got a I got an investor call coming up in a couple of hours. Thank you all for watching, guys. Strongly recommend checking out my YouTube series. Oh shit, it's raining now. Strongly recommend checking out my YouTube series on health and wellness. If you go to my YouTube channel, it's all these last videos. They are in order of importance. So start from number 1. Start from this one. You can also go to my playlists and you can find the playlist on longevity and fitness right there. That's the playlist you want from longevity and fitness. Otherwise, it's all in these live streams. 2 hours on my fitness routine, 2 hours on my blood work where I show my blood. And this is me talking about nutrition. And everything I did this in 6 months. No peptides and no testosterone replacement therapy. So check that out. I know I shouldn't be using this channel for personal shit, but it's a really worthwhile series to watch. Thank you all for watching, and see you all on the next one. Bye, guys. I'll try to bring you a stream tomorrow, but I can't promise. Tomorrow I'll be 6 days no food, no water.